Hi, it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and here is my week 5 of my 2018 Project Life, and for this I'm using my January Citrus Twist kits. Now this is the other side of a page I've already done with a shaker pocket in. So I'm using the same kit, and part of the reason for that is to make sure that the same sort of colours are in. Now if you see my week 4, you will see that I use quite a few of the bright pink bits that came in the kit. However, on this card I tried to use to bring in the papers and the cards that had the bright pink, so that that element was still across the page. And I did also bring in the puffy stickers to spell out "Good Read" on this card, which is just a picture of a book one of my daughters are reading currently. Now I have already done my journaling on this. Rather than pop it on a speed up, I have put that down. So I've popped down that it was time for another meal out with work this week. Somebody was leaving, and of course I had to take a picture of my food because it was absolutely amazing. So that's the picture up the top. My daughter also managed to fit in another concert, which is the picture at the bottom. And she went to see the script. And then my eldest daughter was drawing pictures of bottles. She drew a picture of a bottle of Coke. She is a trainee. She's currently at uni training to be a primary school teacher. So I'm sure it has something to do with that. So that's my journaling. Now I did decide to bring in that die cut with the little pop of flowers up the top, again to bring in some of that hot pink across the page. I did feel as though the blue was represented quite well on this spread due to the concert picture mainly, and then there was also little flecks of it in that crepe paper at the bottom. So I'm going to add a little die cut to the food saying "This is happening," and then I will end up adding a grey word sticker that says "The Ultimate." And then down at the bottom on the concert picture I've laid up a little tag, and I think I used all of the little cork hearts as well, so I've popped them on 3 different places on the page. I've added in a puffy sticker that says "Get Cozy" with the picture of the book. And then lastly I'm going to pop on this "Festival Ready," and that's another one of those word strips. I've just made it a little bit thinner for the sake of this page, and while it's a concert rather than a festival, I did feel as though that was probably the only time I was actually going to get to use that sticker, so therefore I got that on the page while I could. I did try and use the last one of those little like confetti type pieces that I have in the shaker box, but I couldn't get that to work on this one. And then in the effort of using up my stash, I've pulled in these Fancy Pants puffy little stickers again, and I ended up just using 3 of those on that bottom card, but that is at least those used on a page again, so I'm sticking by what I said I was going to do. Lastly, I did feel as though it just needed something else, mainly on that picture of the Coke drawing. I felt as though it just needed a little something. So I've popped on a sticker that says "Self-Portrait," and then I will also use one of the little grey word stickers, and that says "Imperfection Rules." And that's going to be my week 5 spread, so it's quite basic, this spread this time, but I do like the way it turns out. I think the pictures are quite busy, and the shaker pocket also brings in quite a good element on that page. But yeah, if you're liking these videos, please hit like. It does help my channel to get noticed, and if you do want to see more, please hit subscribe. I am determined to stay up to date on my Project Life for 2018, so I will be getting those videos up as soon as I've got those pages made rather than waiting. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you all again very soon.